भाइयों और बहनों, पाकिस्तान हासिल करने के लिए हमने बहुत कुर्बानी की है।
Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a prominent political leader, lawyer and statesman who played a critical role in the formation of Pakistan. Known as Quaid Azam, Jinnah dedicated his life to the struggle for independence and championed the cause of the rights of Muslims in India. Born on December 25, 1876 in Karachi, Jinnah hailed from a Gujarati Muslim family. He received his early education in Karachi and later moved to England to pursue higher studies. Jinnah studied law at Lincoln's Inn, London. Jinnah actively participated in the Indian National Congress during the early years of his political career. However, disillusioned with its policies, he joined the All India Muslim League in 1913. Recognizing the need for a separate nation for Muslims in British India, Jinnah became an ardent advocate for the creation of Pakistan, which would provide a homeland for Muslims. Jinnah's exceptional leadership skills and oratory prowess propelled him to become the leader of the Muslim League in 1916. He tirelessly fought for the rights of Muslims and their political representation, working towards the goal of establishing a separate state. Jinnah's efforts culminated in the historic achievement of the creation of Pakistan on August 14, 1947. Jinnah became the first Governor General of Pakistan, serving as the country's head of state until his death in 1948. Jinnah firmly believed in unity, equality, and religious freedom. He emphasized on constitutionalism, democracy, and the protection of minority rights. Jinnah envisioned a progressive and inclusive state where citizens could live in harmony despite their diverse backgrounds. Muhammad Ali Jinnah's vision and leadership transformed him into an iconic figure in the history of Pakistan. His relentless determination and unwavering commitment to secure a separate homeland for Muslims continue to inspire generations. Ehsan Noor, 2 Minute में